So we're talking about this bag in subject, and particularly this bag actually has a story. I was traveling recently and I tried to, bargain on the streets. I was trying to shop on the streets. I felt like this was quite a steal. I felt like it looked quite branded and it was something I really, really wanted. And I thought it was trending a bit. And I was trying to bargain with the shopkeeper and I felt like he was charging me too much. And I was about to leave the bag when I realized that there were a bunch of people standing right behind me who were eyeing literally the same piece, and there was just one piece left, and people were looking for alternative bags that had the same color, and I realized it was quite the steal. I ended up buying it anyway, and as much as it looks super small, it actually fits a lot of stuff. Just for perspective, there's a few products that actually have a little bit of a story that I'd like to share, also to show you that they all do fit in the bag and you can fit much more. So I'm going to get into it. This one is my most coveted face mask or sheet mask. This is from Health and Glow. It's the wine and chocolate mask. I promise you, if you open the door in my cupboard, you will see that on my closet, you'll see, not closet, vanity. You will see like a stack of them. And I happened to buy this accidentally while I was just buying sheet masks. I didn't particularly think this was like a steal product. I happened to use it before I went to a wedding, for a friend's wedding, and everyone told me the next day. I used it like the night before I did my makeup, and everyone told me my face was glowing, and I thought, okay, maybe I did something right with my skincare. And it happened a couple of times, and I realized I had to draw back to this being the star ingredient. And every time I travel now, I carry a stack of them, or at least have a stack of them in storage. It's like my secret stash of like how to make my skin look great just before an event. So this is something that I think is quite, and it's always out of stock, by the way. So if you do get your hands on it, I hope this works the same way it does for you as it does for me, but I promise you should give it a try and buy as many as you can if you like it, because it runs out quite quickly. The next product is actually this really, really cute strawberry smooth BHA AHA serum. I love this bottle. It makes me want to use it just because, I don't know if you can see, it's got these little strawberry indents like for the seeds. It looks like a strawberry, it smells like a strawberry, and it's a great salicylic acid serum for those times where, I feel like I'm getting a breakout, or I generally have an oily T-zone, so I tend to use it on my T-zone. You can also use it like an overnight mask if you want like an exfoliant, because it's also clarifying and retexturizing. So you can use it like an active at night for a mask, or maybe once or twice a week if your skin is a little bit sensitive. I wouldn't recommend this for every day, but this is super inviting when you just look at it, and I promise you it smells and performs just as great. Okay, so this one, I think my entire team, or everyone who knows me in the world, is going to say this is the one product. If I could get a mini size, if I could get all sizes, I would carry it with me everywhere. This is the IKT wax stick. This I think I got on Amazon, and it has been my most required. I'm very, very dependent on this product because I have South Indian frizzy hair and a lot of baby hair thanks to the genetics. Really, trust me, nothing tames the frizz like this one. This is just like a little wax stick, and it's got a push-up button. You just push it up, and then I don't know how else to put it back down, so I push it back down. I'm guessing that's how you do it. And you can either just directly apply it on your hair very lightly, you don't need to press it too much, or you could use a brush, dip it in, like touch it and then use your hair, and I promise you it's going to change the game of frizzy hair or flyaways. This also works great when you want to do that sleek hair look, or you want some parts of your hair sleek and you want to leave the rest of it open. This works great. You don't need any gel or any other wax apart from this one. So this, I promise you, is something that I use before, after, in between all of my videos, and it's my most favorite. I've used it to style my hair for events a lot of times as well. So try and get your hands on these. It's available on Amazon, very easy to find, and this will change your hair game, I promise. And now I'm just gonna go in and pick at random. So I'm finding there. That's what I was looking for. So these are, as you can see, super cute, super pink, super fluffy. My most favorite accessory. These are actually just earrings that you can hang on to your ears, I guess, or slip on, and they're super easy to wear. They don't feel heavy. They're very, very light, I promise. I think my team can also vouch for almost every schedule. I'm like, can I wear this for one video? Can I wear this for one video? Because I feel like it sort of changes the look of everything. It makes everything look cute and pretty, and this is one thing that I carry with me all the time if I feel like I need to dress up an outfit, not an event. And it's quite neutral a color. It's like a baby pink, so it sort of matches a lot of things. Definitely has a story with my entire team for every video. I try so hard to like feature them in everything, and I'm glad I'm talking about them now. So that's my very, very favorite earrings that I always want to wear and carry. I also have this bronzer stick, which is from Rare Beauty. The story behind this is I was being a bit lazy, and I was like, do I need a contour or a bronzer stick? Can I get one or the other? And I was trying to find something that worked, and I was trying to go on reviews, and me and my mom were doing that little Tom and Jerry situation where we were arguing about, no, this shade looks better, no, this doesn't work as a contour. And actually there was a makeup artist who was super, super kind, who was shopping in Sephora at that point of time, who sort of gave me the advice to use this one, even though for some reason, I don't know if this is as popular, but this is by Rare Beauty, and this is in the color Happy Soul. It does actually make me super happy. And what I love about this one is that it's twist up stick. And unlike the other sticks, which are difficult to blend, this is so creamy. You can actually just like apply it and blend it with your fingers. You don't even need a brush. But I mean, obviously a brush will give you a little more of a blended effect, but you can use it directly. Why I love this one is that even though it looks very brown, I'm not sure if the color is picking up, you can actually use it as a blush as well. And it has this little corally, like little orange warm tone to it. So it works great to use as a blush. It's multitasking. It does do the job of a contour as well. It has a little bit of a shadow, so it's quite the multitasking stick, even though it's called the bronzer stick. So this is my most favorite little stick to carry that helps me. You can even apply it on your eyelids for eyeshadow, creates a little bit of definition. So this is my one makeup product that does a lot of things, and I love to carry with me. It's an ice cream cone stick. No, it is actually a beauty blender holder. My beauty blender right now is a bit damp, so it's a bit fluffy and big. It still looks cute in this. I think it's the cutest little beauty blender holder ever. I actually got it free with a beauty blender that I bought, and now I tend to carry it everywhere with me. It actually fits your beauty blender right in perfectly, and it also looks like an ice cream. So if you happen to get lucky, or maybe you can find something like this on Amazon or anywhere else, it's a very cute buy if you're looking for it. Like I said, I got it free with a beauty blender, so I just got lucky. And now I have one more product to show you. This is a lash separator. I think this is by Real Techniques, the brand, if I'm not wrong. This one, I didn't know how much I needed it until I got it. And generally I like wearing mascara even on the no makeup days. If I want my eyes to look a bit open and I'm not wearing any eyeliner or concealer, I like to use a very light coat of mascara. You know what? I can get clumsy, and all of us have this problem with mascara where your eyelashes can get clumpy. No matter what mascara it is, sometimes it tends to happen, whether it's the way you apply it or maybe the product is more than a few days old. And this one, as much as it looks scary, I don't know if you can see it, it looks scary to use near your eyes, but it changes the game. It literally is like a hair comb for your lashes. All of those clumps go away. You can use it after you put mascara, you can use it before if you want to like brush out your hair. And really, this changes the game of, even if you have a really bad mascara that you want to get rid of, but you want to use it a little bit, you can use that one and this, and it'll change the game of how your mascara looks. This is something that my mom actually bought me because she saw me using so much mascara, and she's like, I see you struggle a little bit with the clumpiness. And like I said, I didn't know how much I needed it until I got it. If you're someone who loves using mascara, try and get your hands on this, and I promise you'll realize how much it changes the game of mascara. Those were my few products that had a little bit of a story that I wanted to share, and essentials that I love using as well. And for perspective, they all fit in this bag, and still there's a lot of space. This bag also has like a zip on the inside if you want to keep something concealed, and it's quite big. And because it's a soft fabric cloth, it's not a cloth, it's a soft leather, I think, or faux leather, it tends to expand. So you can fit a lot in this bag even though you don't think you can. Let me know if you want to watch more videos on products that I would love to use. These were just few ones that have a little bit of a story. Keep watching for more videos.